Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play classic Java games on your Android phone. This method works on any Android smartphone or tablet, so let's get started. First, go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for an app called J2ME Loader. This app will allow you to run Java games on your Android device. Once you find the J2ME Loader app in the search results, tap on it and then tap the Install button. The installation process will only take a few seconds. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see a welcome screen. Tap OK to proceed. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a floating plus icon. Tap on that icon to browse your files. Now, navigate to the folder where you have stored your Java game files. These files typically have a jar extension. If you can't find the folder, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu where you can access your device's storage, including the gallery, download folder, or any other folder where your Java files are saved. Once you've found your Java file, select it and then tap Start. Before the game begins, you'll have the option to adjust the screen resolution and other settings. You can leave these settings as they are or customize them to fit your preferences. For now, I'll keep the default settings. After configuring the settings, tap the Start button at the top. The game will begin loading, which may take a few seconds. Once the game loads, you'll notice that touch controls don't work directly on the game screen. To interact with the game, you'll need to use the on-screen keyboard provided by the J2ME Loader app. For example, to select an option in the game, you might need to use the arrow keys to navigate and then press the F key to confirm your selection. As you play the game, you'll find a range of options at the top of the screen. These include a keyboard icon, which you can use if you need to type something, and a screenshot option to capture moments from your gameplay. There's also a menu in the top right corner, represented by three dots, where you can access additional options such as limiting the app's performance, saving logs, or configuring the keyboard further. If you want to exit the game at any point, just tap on the exit button available in the menu. The J2ME Loader app makes it easy to enjoy Java games on your Android device, and it's a great way to revisit some of those classic games from the past. As a gamer, it can be really hard to meet other people who share your interest. Heck, it's hard to find people who don't judge you for it. But did you know that there's a dating app specifically designed for gamers? Everyone on the app has the same hobby as you, making it much easier to form meaningful connections. If this sounds interesting, click the link in the description and try it out. You might end up finding your real-life player too.